Hey everyone, today we're going to see the difference between Scoro and Monday Work. So we'll go over the features and mostly the user reviews. So please go for the one that suits your features the best. First of all, Monday takes the requirements ease of use, ease of setup, ease of admin, quality of support, and good partner product direction by a much bigger number. As you can see that while the ratings or the reviews for Scoros are barely in the hundreds, Monday is in the multiple thousands. Like the highest is 10,000, so you know it has a lot of good reviews. CRM for Scoro, it's showing enough data for Scoro, like as you can see 1,000, but for Monday they don't have enough data. For product management, there are 117 reviews that Monday takes, so that is clearly a lot of features. And project and portfolio, that one is taken by Scoro. Even though the difference, as you can see, that this is by 8,000 people and this is by 900 people, so almost a 10x jump, but still only a 0.2% difference. So I would also kind of give that to Monday. As you can see that overall, if I really go at the other features, then Monday takes it mostly, even for all of the other features. So Monday is the better option for you to go, whether you're a beginner or whatever stage you're in. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.